Well, here we go again. Another storm brewing. Dark clouds and thunder rolling. And I'm out here in the garden. I needed to picking all the tomatoes and different things that I can. The bugs are getting my plants, but I can't spray again because it's just going to get washed off. But I really haven't been out here for a couple of days, been busy. So I got me a bucket of a little this and a little that. Look at that big old Japanese cucumber. Those are so meaty and perfect for making relishes and eating too. I eat the skin as well. Got a whole probably about a gallon of green beans, and the purple whole peas are coming on. I accidentally picked a couple of them too zealously, but they're still full in the pod, so they'll do well. All right, this is a little bit of a garden update for today, Sunday, July 5th. I've been picking green beans too. As far as the, I can't even reach these rattlesnake pole beans. I gotta get my ladder out. Last year I had a ladder, but look, those are ready. I don't know if you can see them. It's getting dark out here. I picked what I could on the lower level, but all these beans are ready. And Mac's out mowing. Grass is growing taller than we can keep up with. But look at our sunflowers. Can you see them? I wish I could show you how tall they are. They are twice as me. It seems pretty close. I'm 5'1.5", and these things are probably at least 8 or 9 foot tall. And all the stuff is putting out. It's getting darker and darker out here. We got lima beans coming on too, and I'm gonna be picking them before long. So even as sparse as my green beans are, they're giving me a good batch that lets me do it in the time frame that I can. And I'm gonna have to pull out some of these squash plants in the beds because they're overtaking the beds too much. And I have squash plants in other areas. I hate to pull them up, but they're just, ooh, they're doing too good. My okra's doing fairly well. The purple burgundy okra is doing pretty good. It was planted first. But the other okra for Samson's Farms contest, these are 3 of them here, contenders. They're coming along fairly well. So we'll see how they do. But we've already had flowers and a couple of okra. But honestly, I've just been eating them raw out of the garden. But they were flowering. They got heads to them. I got bugs everywhere that's eating stuff though, and I can't keep up with it. But we had an inch of rain a couple days ago, then a half an inch, and well, we might not get rain, but it sounds bad. I got to get on the riding lawnmower. Mac's got the push lawnmower going, and as soon as if the rain holds off. All right, y'all. Blessings to you.